My old boss was always overly concerned with picayunish details. I never could understand why she cared about trivial matters. Does picayunish mean humorous, unhappy, serious, or insignificant? This question supplies us with two sentences. The first one with our vocabulary word, and the second describing what it means. In the first sentence, we see the speaker describing their boss as always overly concerned with these picayunish details. Even before proceeding to the second sentence, we can see that the speaker thinks his boss's concerns are unfounded, as he describes her as overly concerned. The second sentence gives us even more clues, as the speaker says he could never understand why she cared about trivial matters. Something trivial is something unimportant or insignificant, and therefore must be what picayunish means. Heading down to our choices, we can see that D, insignificant, perfectly matches our definition and can be therefore marked as our final answer.